This video shows how to check the reservation book at Astra and update reservation status to reviewed using EMS Desktop Client. After logging in to the EMS Desktop Client, select the dashboard to see the list of reservations. You can sort by status and first booking date to get the most accurate list of reservations. Select a reservation with the status of CETS service requested. Make note of the start and end dates, as well as the times, which are listed in the bottom panel. Click on the book icon located in the upper left. The reservation book opens. From here, you can search by date of reservation, building, and classroom. Click on a classroom to view the information regarding the space for the date selected. The room space information window opens. The information about the room space is shown. Look for a confirmed or approved status. If the status is not confirmed or approved, check Add Astra. If the status in the reservation book is not confirmed or approved, or there is no listing in Add Astra, do not process the reservation at this time. If the status is confirmed or approved in either database, the reservation can be processed. Click on Close when done viewing the room space information. Minimize the reservation book window for future use. The next step is to mark the reservation as reviewed. Click on Reviewed, located in the right side. For Is it okay to mark the selected items as reviewed, select Yes. Put a check mark next to Reviewed in the right side and uncheck Unreviewed to ensure that only reviewed reservations are shown. The reservations are categorized by status, such as CETS service requested, cancelled, and approved, first booking date, as well as reviewed status. From here, you can either select another reservation to review or click on Close in the lower right. You are back to the main menu.